In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive tips, how to see a list of files shared with others. We'll use the Google Drive homepage and a simple people view to quickly surface the files you've shared. This is especially helpful if you collaborate often and want a fast way to review what you've made accessible to colleagues, classmates, or clients. Start by heading to drive.google.com and make sure you're on the home view. If you land in My Drive or another section, look at the left sidebar and click Home. The home page highlights recent activity and gives you smart ways to filter what you see, which is exactly what we need here. Being on home ensures you'll get the curated, people-centric layout instead of a plain folder list. Next, click the People option in the home interface. This changes the view from a general activity feed to a people-focused layout, grouping your files and interactions by the people you work with. It's an intuitive way to think about sharing. Instead of hunting through folders, you can find content by the person you shared it with. If you don't immediately see people, confirm you're in home and that your account is using the latest Drive interface. Features can roll out gradually, so layouts may look slightly different, but the people view is the target. Now select the person you want to review. When you click their card, look to the right side of the screen for the viewing options. Choose the option that shows items shared by you. This filters the list to display files and folders that you've shared with that specific person. It's a clean way to audit what access you've granted. You can scroll through the list, open any file to double-check content, and, if necessary, adjust sharing settings from the Share button within the file. If you need to refine further, use the on-screen filters to narrow by file type or sort by activity, so the most recent shares appear at the top. A quick tip: if you want to scan multiple people, use the browser's back navigation to return to the people view and pick another contact. Also, remember that link sharing counts too. If a file is set to anyone with the link, it's broadly accessible, so review those settings with care. Removing access is immediate, so be sure you're adjusting the correct item before you change permissions. And that's it. Go to Home, click People, select the person, and choose the view that shows items shared by you. With this workflow, you can routinely review and manage shared files in just a few clicks.